Welcome to our beginner's guide on creating stunning visual effects in Blender 2025. In this tutorial, we'll explore the incredible capabilities that await you in Blender's latest version. First, let's set up your workspace. Open Blender 2025 and choose a layout that's optimized for visual effects. This will make your workflow smoother. Before we dive into practical steps, it's essential to understand the basic principles of visual effects, which will help you create more believable scenes. Let's start with particles. Emitter objects in Blender allow you to create stunning particle effects. I'll show you how to set one up from scratch. One of the standout features in Blender 2025 is enhanced fluid simulation. We'll explore how to create realistic water effects that flow naturally. Textures and materials are fundamental for achieving realism. Let's integrate various textures into our scene to enhance the visual quality. Lighting can make or break a scene. I'll discuss several lighting techniques to enhance your visual effects, giving them depth and drama. Animating visual effects uses keyframing. Let's cover the basics of setting keyframes to bring your effects to life. After creating your effects, post-processing is key. Blender's Compositor allows for fine-tuning and enhancing your visuals. As we wrap up, I'll share some final tips and resources for continued learning in the fascinating world of VFX. Keep exploring.